Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited to share this club stamp and die set with you because every time I think about it, I smile. And it just like makes me giggle. And it's like, I don't know, maybe I'm weird. I mean, I know I'm weird, but I'm just telling you, it is so awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. It is called Top Banana. And look at that. So you are getting 3 bananas. Now check out the add-on sets because there's so much more I had to do with this. I just went crazy. You're totally a peeling, get it? Peel the love. You're ripe on time. Get it? You're right on time. You make me bananas. Peel better soon for feel better soon. You're also getting a little baseball hat. You're also getting sunglasses and regular glasses and a mini version for the back of your cards. Now, if you're in our stamp club, you are getting this stamp set sent to you automatically. Boom, it's on its way to you. You're also getting a handy dandy postcard that shows you a couple ideas and all the other items that go in this set if you want to. Now, a lot of people are loving the stamp set, but they're like, you know what, Stephanie, there's no way in the world I want to get my scissors out and try to cut those images out. Of course not, right? That's why we invented, well, we didn't invent them, but dies were invented. Now, here we have our dies. You are getting the inside dies and the shadow dies and the glasses and the little baseball hat. So much fun. Now, I have tons of samples to show you. So our Die Hard Club members get the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match, which you really want the dies. This is our most popular club, by the way, my friends. It's the Die Hard Club. Now, yes, you get the postcard, right? This month, though, club members only. You can buy these on the website. Well, you can't buy the dies yet, but you can buy these, yeah, but you have to pay real price, the full price, whatever, and you don't get this freebie. Whoa, and it's a cute freebie. You're going to like it. You're going to want it. Club members, yes, you are getting this freebie. I'm not going to show it to you because I know a lot of people like to be surprised. So I'm not going to show it to you, but yes, there is a brand new freebie in there. Now let's jump in and look at the samples. You might see a sneak peek in here somewhere because there's a lot of add-on items for this collection. But here we go. Look at how cute. Peel better soon. Isn't that sweet? Look at all the cute little rectangles on there. Here's a cute one. Peel the love, and you can add a little gift card in there. You can put something fun in there if you want to. Here's a cute one using the little glasses. Look at that little banana. Peel the love, open it up. Isn't that adorable? You know, you gotta love those flip it cards, huh? Here's another cute one. Oh, this is using one of our wobblers. Look how fun that is. Peel better soon. We have those on our website. Look how cute this card base is. You can open it up. I love it. This is so much fun. Isn't that cute? And then here we have another one. You're the top banana. Using our pennant die, which is so cute. I love that. Look how fun that is with the little Peeps baseball bat. So fun. Here's another one. You're the top banana. Using it on one of our side fold cards. I love it. And here's another one. And this is definitely a sneak peek on the background. You're going to love it. Are you ready? Here we go. Don't slip up. You're amazing. Now, sneak peek here and sneak peek back here. So check out the next video. My friends, if you're in the Stamper Die Hard Club, don't worry. You have one of these with your name on it and it is on its way to you. Now, if you are not in the Stamper Die Hard Club, you need to go check it out. You can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set being sent to you automatically each month. Then you get all the club benefits. You get 15% off, up to 20% off our entire website every single day, every single item, every single order that you place as long as you're a club member. You also get freebies like the one we're sending this month. You get freebies for joining even, and the monthly commitment's only 3 months. After 3 months, you can cancel at any time, but we know you won't want to. If you stay in a full year, on your anniversary month, you will get a $15 gift certificate to our website. It's just our way of saying thank you. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and watch that video. I explain everything. I explain all of our different clubs, and it is so much fun. Check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.